The first question, we have an inclined plane at which whose angle of inclination is 30 degrees. A particle is projected at an angle 60 degree with respect to horizontal with a velocity of 10 meters per second, and the question is find the time of flight of the particle, find the range of the particle, and the third part is find the maximum vertical height attained by the particle. So this was the first question. This is the first question. So this question is pretty simple. You have to just apply the formulas, or you can use the equation of kinematics to solve the problem. The answer to this question is the time of flight is equal to 2 by root 3 seconds. The range is equal to 20 by 3 meters, and the maximum vertical height attained by the particle is 5 by 2 root 3 meter. The question is very simple, so I am not solving the question. If you have any doubt on the question, if you have any doubts regarding the question, you can solve it, you can post on our forum. The link to our forum is collegepedia.in/forum. So we know now move on to our second problem. The second problem, it says that we have an inclined plane with angle of inclination pi by 4. A particle is projected with velocity u and an angle alpha with respect to horizontal such that it lands up on the inclined plane vertically, right? So we are asked to find the angle at which the particle is projected. We have to find alpha. So this is the question. Now, so how to solve this question? To solve this question, we see that at this point the particle has zero velocity in this direction. Along the incline it has zero velocity. So first of all, to begin with, let us find the time at which the horizontal velocity of the particle is zero. The velocity of the particle in the horizontal along the incline, we can write it as, right, this is equal to 0. Now what is ux? Ux is u cos of alpha minus beta, and this I know it as g sine beta, acceleration in the x direction. Now we already had found out the time of flight of the particle as 2u sine of alpha minus beta by g cos beta, right? Now for this condition to hold true, this should be the this should also hold good. From this we see that tan of alpha minus beta should be equal to cot beta by 2. Now beta is pi by 4, so cot beta is 1, or tan alpha minus beta should be equal to half. Now alpha minus beta is pi by 4, so alpha minus beta should be then equal to tan inverse half, or alpha is equal to pi by 4 plus tan inverse half. So this should be the condition for the particle to land vertically. Now we move on to a third problem, and with this problem we end our topic on projectile motion in an inclined plane. The last topic, that is projectile motion or relative motion in case of projectiles, we'll discuss when we discuss relative motion. So overall we'll be completing the topic projectile motion. So the last problem is similar to the second problem. In this case it said the angle of inclination of the inclined plane is pi by 4 again. a particle is projected at an angle alpha with respect to horizontal with a velocity u. Now it's given that when the particle strikes the inclined plane, the direction of velocity of the particle is vertical. So this is given. Now we are asked to find the angle of projection of the particle. Okay, so this question is similar to the last question, and the answer to this question is alpha equals to tan inverse 2. This is the answer. The question was the angle of inclination of the inclined plane is pi by 4. The particle is projected with an angle of projection alpha with respect to horizontal. It is given that when the particle strikes the inclined plane, its velocity is in the vertical direction. So we are asked to find the angle of projection of the particle. The answer to this question is the angle alpha is equal to tan inverse 2. Try solving this question on your own, taking reference from the last example, and if you have any doubts, you can post it on our forum. The link to our forum is www.collegepedia.in/forum. So we are done with the topic projectile motion. Only the topic relative motion in case of projectile is left. That I will discuss when we will talk about relative motion in general. Thank you.